Let me show you what to do if the no bar is missing from the lock screen of your Samsung S26 or S26 Ultra. So first what you want to do is you want to go in the settings and go to the lock screen and AOD. Okay, and then click on the no bar and make sure you have this enabled here and all of these as well. And also in the notifications, also make sure you have it enabled for all the apps you actually want to receive it from. Also, yeah, once it appears, by the way, if there is nothing to be shown, also it won't actually appear. So for example, let's see, I didn't really had anything at the moment, so I simply turned on my timer to show it. So maybe that way also it's not working. But also you see if you click and hold on this thing and click no bar settings, as you can also get over here and for example, enable it for all these things here as well. Or you can also disable if you do not want it for some of it as well. Okay, like